remove a green screen video from Canva. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily remove your green screen video from your Canva. First, just click on this video option over here. So once you click on it, let me just select a video landscape over here, and for the format of my video, and let me just quickly upload a green screen video which I just downloaded, and I'll just bring it over here just like this. So as you can see, a green screen video has been successfully added to my Canva account, Canva design page, video page. So what I will do now is to remove it. All I have to do is first let me just adjust it. So once I readjust it, you just have to click on the video and you have to either click on this edit, so you can edit it from over here, or you can also remove your background by just clicking on this removing background remover. And always remember that it's a premium version, so you can also try your free trial for 30 days, but after that you may have to pay because it's a paid service, so it's only works on premium version. And once you remove your background, you can always choose a filter out by clicking lots of filters by simply heading over to see all types of filters, and you can also add elements with different types of background adjusting to this video. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.